Welcome to Lottery NAIJA. My name is John Obizaba. So, this particular episode is for all of us Nigerians who are always in the habit of running to the police to go and recover money. Person they owe you money, you don't even bother to actually even write demand notices or even try to demand your money. The first thing you do is you're rushing to the police or you're threatening people with the police. Now, in Nigeria, there have been several court decisions, Supreme Court and Court of Appeal decisions to hold that the police is not a recovery agency. I think it's high time we Nigerians understood the roles that the police play in our polity. One, the police has the duty of protecting lives and property, detecting and preventing crime, and also arresting offenders, and also further prosecuting them. It's only in Nigeria that, yes, every time someone is owing you money, person they owe you even at 50,000 naira, you rush to the police first for them to go and arrest the person so you collect the money. A bulk of times, if this is something that even a demand notice will solve, a demand notice from a lawyer will solve. The police is not a recovery agency. It's laughable that sometimes at the end of the day, you find out that you actually even spend more than you're supposed to even recover. Like, imagine someone is owing you 50,000 naira and you already spend like 30,000 naira or 40,000 naira in transport, mobilizing police, arrest, going to the police station over and over and over again. At the end of the day, who's going to lose? Now you lose finally. So by the time you're going home with just 10,000 naira, 50,000 naira, or 20,000 naira, and you ask yourself, what is the point? Now, that's if it ends at the police station. A bulk of times, you find out that just to ginger the person to repay or pay up, a charge is drafted and eventually filed, and it goes to court. Now, imagine when it goes to court, and the court, in its wisdom, finally find that the person has not committed any offense. It was just a mere civil understanding, a civil suit. The court, in its wisdom, dismisses the charge. What do you think happened? You saw the person has incurred costs coming to court and all that. Now, the interesting part is the person has spent time with police. What do you think will happen? The person will definitely bring an action for malicious prosecution, and God help you, eventually gets judgment. Most times the judgment that will be given against you, even at 400,000 you won't recover, you may find out that at the end of the day you get damages against you in the sum of 500,000, 5 million, or 1 million. You go come pay past what you're supposed to actually recover. At the end of the day, you're the one who is suffering. Or sometimes if it doesn't go to court, the person has spent time in police, he finds fundamental rights enforcement action, and recover damages. At the end of the day, you find out you're losing. So the ideal thing to do anytime someone is owing you money is, first of all, on your own, try to recover in a civil manner. That involves you actually demanding for your money. You can either demand orally or write a letter. Then when the person is refusing, you can contact a lawyer and negotiate your price with the person. Contact a lawyer, and yes, he takes the right action to actually write a letter. Even in the letter, the lawyer can request for cost of engaging a lawyer, actually in addition to the demand for the outstanding debt. That way it is civil. Now, the person refuses, you eventually file a suit either at the magistrate court or the high court, depending on how much is involved. Now, trust me, when you engage a lawyer, most times you fear that, if you engage a lawyer, you lose. At the end of the day, you find that if it eventually goes to court, the lawyer will actually request for cost of the action, professional fees, damages, and all that. And at the end of the day, you find out that you're not just recovering the amount, the outstanding debt, but you're recovering for the loss of time, you're recovering for the loss of funds used in engaging a lawyer. You recover, you don't lose out. But by the time you decide to engage the police, you actually lose a lot, because most times there's no, especially when there's no flavor of crime in the whole transaction, you now find out you lose heavily and you suffer damages, and you may still not recover the money. Because see, if I'm owing you 100,000 or 200,000 and you end up getting damages awarded against you in the sum of 1 million, you've lost. You didn't recover anything. You actually gave out, you gave loan, you actually did charity. So let's do the proper thing. The police is not a recovery agency. Stop going to the police to recover debt. Except yes, you can establish that, there's a crime. Obtaining other false pretense, all those things, fraud and rape. If not, if it's just merely civil wrong, debt recovery, please engage a lawyer and seek redress legally, especially by going to the court to file an action for recovery of debt. My name is John Obizaba, aka Ogajon. Don't forget to Lottery NAIJA. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed. See you on the next episode. This is Lottery NAIJA.